Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, minimalist, tropical-style home nestled within lush greenery. The structure is a two-story, dark gray metal frame with wooden accents, featuring large windows and sliding glass doors that frame a beautiful interior. The wooden interior design is warm and inviting with a natural feel. The house has a series of tiered balconies, all covered in a vibrant array of tropical plants and ferns in various pots. The overall color palette is a mix of rich deep greens, warm browns, and grays with hints of warm orange and beige from the interior and furniture. The setting is a dense, overgrown tropical forest, with large trees and foliage cascading downward. The image should have an impressionistic quality, with soft, diffused lighting that highlights the greenery. A meticulously landscaped backyard garden, featuring a circular lawn with a ring of colorful flower beds in the center, surrounded by various vibrant plants. A pergola-like structure with a wooden slatted roof and a corrugated metal backdrop is at the left side of the image, showcasing a series of wooden planters with colorful flowers. A brick house with arched doorways and a dark brown wooden deck is at the center right background. Brick paver walkways wind throughout the scene, leading between distinct garden areas. The garden boasts an array of lush greenery, including shrubs, flowering plants, and various foliage. The overall impression is of meticulously maintained, layered gardens, with soft, natural lighting filtering through the trees. A serene garden scene with a modern glass conservatory. Hyperrealistic style. A light brown wooden shed sits nestled amongst lush green trees in the background, with a paved patio leading to a large glass conservatory that is curved and has a dark gray frame and large windows. Inside the conservatory, there's a comfortable light gray couch and various potted plants. The garden is filled with pops of orange/yellow California poppies, interspersed with small bright blue flowers, creating a vibrant tapestry of color. The pathway and surrounding areas are paved with large light beige/tan paving stones. Natural lighting illuminates the scene, casting soft shadows throughout the garden. A tranquil landscape scene featuring a serene water feature. A small stream with cascading waterfalls flows through a meticulously landscaped garden surrounding a modern wooden cabin. The garden includes a variety of colorful wildflowers, particularly vibrant orange/yellow coneflowers, lush greenery, and large, natural-looking rocks that form the banks of the stream. The cabin is constructed of stone and wood, with a dark brown metal roof, and large windows that look out into the garden. Sunlit, hyperrealistic rendering, focusing on the details of the landscaping and the water's movement. The atmosphere suggests a soft, diffused light and a peaceful, idyllic feeling. The forest canopy in the background is a mix of deep greens, suggesting a humid climate. A lush, tranquil Zen garden courtyard, hyperrealistic, with a modern, minimalist house featuring large glass walls opening onto the garden. A water feature with a small fountain cascades into a pond filled with lily pads, surrounded by smooth river stones and various tropical plants and shrubs. Large, flat, dark gray loungers are placed along the patio, under a light brown, slatted pergola overhead. The house's structure is dark gray and black, contrasting with the vibrant greens and browns of the foliage and pond. The image is full of natural light, casting soft shadows and highlighting the details of the garden and architecture. A vibrant, lush, and hyper-realistic outdoor play area, nestled in a residential complex. Large, mature trees with rich green foliage provide shade and a natural canopy. Sunlight filters through the trees, casting a warm glow on the scene. The space features a sandy play area edged with light brown wooden planks. Various sized and shaped rocks, in shades of gray and beige, are strategically placed throughout the landscape. Colorful flower beds and shrubs add pops of color. A children's play structure is subtly integrated into the design. The overall aesthetic is serene and inviting, with a strong balance between natural elements and architectural design. A modern, Zen-like outdoor living space featuring a dark gray stone patio, tiered seating areas, fire pit, and lush tropical greenery. Impressively detailed, hyper-realistic scene. The dark gray stone structures are accented with warm, golden-toned lighting highlighting the fire pit and water feature on the textured stone wall. A fire pit with flames is at the center of the lower terrace, with a flat, large dark gray stone creating a basin to contain the fire and stone surround. A series of stepped seating areas in dark gray stone, with mid-century modern-style dark gray and natural wood outdoor furniture, provide comfortable seating. Various potted ferns and tropical plants are placed in dark reddish-brown clay pots. A modern, meticulously landscaped backyard with a contemporary house. The house features a dark gray metal roof and siding, with light wood accents and large glass windows that open to a patio space. The patio area has a built-in kitchen and a series of raised garden beds filled with a variety of lush greenery, including herbs, flowers, and shrubs. The garden features small, meticulously shaped green topiary and a gravel path that winds through the planting beds. A large, rustic-looking, rust-colored metal wall section forms part of the structure. A stone water feature sits in the middle of the garden. The surrounding trees are vibrant green, creating a lush, tranquil setting. A modern, open-air patio area, hyper-realistic, with a large, gray concrete structure featuring extensive vertical gardens with various types of lush green plants and foliage. The walls are punctuated by built-in shelves and planters, illuminated by warm, ambient LED lighting that highlights the greenery. A comfortable seating arrangement consisting of orange-red sofas and armchairs, a gray ottoman, and a small, round coffee table is placed in the center of the patio, creating an inviting space for relaxation. The patio floor is made of dark gray stone tiles, with a subtle gradient appearance. The surrounding landscaping includes a variety of plants and bushes, adding to the overall lush and green ambience. A contemporary outdoor seating area with a modern, rust-colored metal pergola. Landscaped garden with tiered stone steps leading up to a large sectional sofa. The steps and sofa are a dark gray stone, and the pergola and walls are a rusty orange-brown. The lighting emphasizes the textures and colors of the plants and stonework, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The plants are various shades of green, with pops of orange flowers, purple flowers and other colorful plantings. The plants are lush and well-maintained, creating a vibrant garden effect. The image is photorealistic, with detailed textures and lighting, showcasing the depth and complexity of the design. A large, contemporary hot tub set amidst a lush, Zen-like garden. The hot tub is dark gray/charcoal, rectangular and sits on a deck of light brown, wooden planks. The water in the tub is a milky gray, with visible bubbles and gentle ripples. The garden incorporates various plants, including lush greenery, bamboo, flowering bushes and hydrangeas in shades of purple and blue. A light brown, tall bamboo fence/screen forms the backdrop behind the plants. A modern, light brown/beige building with large glass sliding doors is visible in the background, revealing an interior seating area. The overall aesthetic is both serene and modern, combining lush nature with sleek design. A modern, minimalist home with a meticulously landscaped Zen garden. The home features a dark gray/brown exterior and a large, covered wooden deck overlooking the garden. The garden is filled with various textures of rocks, stone pathways, and flowing water features. The water creates a subtle cascade and reflects the light beautifully. Plants and foliage are in various shades of green, including ferns, lush ground cover, and taller tropical plants. Yellow flowers add pops of color. The lighting is soft and warm, casting a golden glow over the space, creating a relaxing atmosphere. The shot is taken at dusk or in the late evening, with a noticeable difference in light between the interior of the home and the exterior. A modern minimalist home with a serene Japanese-style garden. A contemporary, dark-toned, wooden home with large glass windows overlooks a tranquil water garden. The scene is hyper-realistic, capturing the delicate details of the water lilies in the pond, and the lush greenery surrounding it. The water is a deep, still black, reflecting the trees above and the stone pathways. Orange and yellow water lilies provide pops of color that complement the dark tones. The pathways leading to the pond are constructed of large, flat, gray stone slabs. The landscaping includes various shades of green foliage, bushes, and trees. A vibrant, colorful rooftop garden nestled beside a brick building. A mix of orange, yellow, and purple flowers, grasses, and shrubs create a layered landscape bed. The garden is bordered by a pathway of gray paving stones and a bed of dark gray river rocks. The brick building has large, dark windows. The sky is a light gray/cloudy, with distant city skyline partially visible through the trees and foliage. Hyperrealistic rendering, focusing on details of the flowers, plants, and stones. Detailed textures of the brick, stones, and plants. Impressionistic soft focus on the background, emphasizing the cityscape. A meticulously landscaped urban backyard oasis. Impressionistic, but with strong realistic elements. Dark gray-green modern house with black windows. A mix of stone walls, wooden fencing, and a raised wooden deck defines the garden spaces. A pathway of gray flagstones winds through a bed of small pebbles. Various plants, including lush greenery, flowering plants displayed in hanging planters and on stone ledges, succulents, and leafy foliage, are strategically placed throughout. Dark gray rectangular planters line the perimeter. There are mid-century modern-style chairs and a small, reclaimed wood coffee table in the lounging space.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:/DX Design Channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.